No, growth and success is not a straight line. It's basically an uneven curve.
Yeah. Yeah.
Because yesterday you reached 55 meters,
Feet.
55 feet, 17 meters.
Yeah.
And आज तू नहीं कर पाया.
Yeah.
My right ear is not equalized. I tried once. It didn't happen. I'm gonna try once more. Let's see what happens.
So I think success and growth is not like a constantly uphill
Yeah. Yeah.
curve,
Yeah.
you know,
Yeah.
कि वो
Yeah.
ऐसे ही जा रहा है.
Correct.
I think it's like dips, goes up, dips, sometimes straight line, sometimes it actually goes lower than where you started also.
Yeah.
होता है ऐसे because
Yeah.
learning and unlearning is the part of the process, right?
Correct,
Sometimes
correct.
तुमने बहुत चीजें सीख ली है, अब तुम्हें कुछ नहीं सीखना पड़ेगा in order to go ahead, which happens a lot. But the thing is, like कल तू 55 feet गया, 17 meters इतने easily कर लिया,
Yeah.
and आज तू नहीं कर पाया. And like looking at you, I love the fact that you don't take it to heart. You are aware that ये तो ऊपर नीचे तो चलता रहता है. मतलब if you are afraid of that fear, कि, oh my god, अगर if I dip इतना सा नीचे तो I am नहीं करूँगा. I'm so bad at this. I'm the worst at this. I should not even touch it. Like which happens to a lot of people, sometimes to me also. So it's a great learning from you. कि it doesn't dip your day at all. You're like ठीक है कल देखेंगे यार. It's okay. It's like body, mind. सब needs to align and some days it doesn't. यार
Yeah.
सर्दी हो गई. Fucking
Yeah.
big deal.
Yeah, and not just that, the other thing is, if growth was this easy, right? सब लोग growth में नहीं चल रहे होते हैं.
हाँ सब
Like सब लोग, everybody is like
हमारे पास
constantly.
हर जगह यहाँ skyscrapers होते हैं, flying cars होती हैं.
Growth is not easy. It's hard. It takes
It's
time.
hard and the thing is it needs that everyday ka push, but sometimes you still don't go ahead or as far as ahead as you want.
Yeah.
But the thing is now we see those 0.1% of people in the world who are growing exponentially, right?
Yeah. It
One-
kind of screws you with your head.
Yeah, because like I had seen someone speak about this. They were like, which is that one person जिससे तुम्हें लगता है कि बहुत easy होना चाहिए और तुम्हारे लिए easy नहीं है. So that person said Kylie Jenner. तो बोला Kylie Jenner is 0.1%
Yeah.
Of-
of people जिनको.
of people. That this is like 1 in a billion chance of someone having the right, being in the right place, right time,
Yeah.
right family, money, जो
Yeah.
भी है ना circumstantially.
Yeah.
तुम अपनी लाइफ मलाड से आए हो, तुम काइली जेनर से कंपेयर कर रहे हो. The top 1% of people are actually not the norm,
Yeah.
but they are everywhere. So
Yeah.
we compare ourselves to those people who've had luck by their side,
Yeah.
money by their side, most
Yeah.
probably,
Yeah.
right connections, right
Yeah.
talent,
And at the right
at the
time.
right place.
Right place, right time.
Like Bill Gates जब जो भी उसने किया Microsoft वगैरह,
Yeah.
it happened at the start of the internet and he and his friends were the early people who had access to something
Correct,
which no
correct.
one in the world had access to.
Correct.
हमारे यहाँ इंडियन 4 लड़कों को access दे देते हैं तो वो भी बिल गेट्स होते हैं आज. मतलब
हाँ.
it just you can't compare yourself to that 0.1%. Compare yourself to yourself, your family.
Yeah.
तुम कहाँ से आए हो भाई? तुम
Yeah.
अपने आप को अपने फैमिली से कितना आगे लेके आए हो? Like
Correct.
5 steps from where my
That.
family
Yeah.
left me, मैं उससे
Yeah.
5 कदम आगे बढ़ी हूँ तो मैंने किया है. I'm successful.
That way, I love your journey. Like from someone who loved water but was kind of scared of it. You used to have like nightmares of the deep blue ocean.
Yeah.
And from there to the first time when I took you out kayaking in Thailand and you cried when I told you to look down, to now who like now leads snorkeling trips, goes in the water, does free diving, does scuba, advanced open water. Like
But that's the thing.
इतना आगे लेके आई है तू अपने आप
But
को.
that's the thing with the growth
Yeah.
and success.
Yeah.
That it dips and it goes up. There are some days I cannot step into the water. मतलब मेरे को fear आ जाता है. And some days I feel fearless. So I fight the fear and some days I'm successful. Some days I'm not successful also because मैंने वो पूरा erase नहीं किया है fear को अपने अंदर से. It's an ongoing thing. That's the point. कि ये ऐसे होता रहेगा. Maybe someday I'll just go here. I mean when people like 20-year-olds want to be rich, famous and travel the whole world,
Yeah.
I don't know what to tell them because मेरे लिए वो 20 साल की journey है. The things I wanted to be at 15, it took me like literally 15-20 years to be that. With blood, sweat and tears.
Yeah.
हमने achieve कर लिए बहुत सारी चीज़ें जो achieve करनी थी. Which gives you a certain satisfaction and contentment also. Like you're like,
You can do that sigh of relief. Yeah.
Yeah, but you are then faced with a different problem.
If you're thinking right now, ki, what next? Like, what is the next goal or?
Yeah, because for me it was like, ये पहाड़ चढ़ ली हूँ बहुत अच्छा नज़ारा है. And after 2 days, like you hear the cricket sound. अब क्या करूँ? बहुत पहाड़ दिख रहे हैं पर मैं कौन सा चढ़ूँ? और सेम मेहनत लगेगी ना सब में भी नीचे से चढ़ने में तो वो एक हिचकिचाहट भी है कि अरे यार I have to start from zero at something else.
Yeah.
So there is a resistance to be a beginner.
Adults avoid new things because they hate being beginners.
It is the worst feeling in the world to be a beginner.
But that actually makes you very boring as
I
a person.
understand.
Yeah, it makes you a very boring person
I understand.
as an adult because you just don't. You're so scared to try new things because you don't want to be bad at something new.
It is hard to be bad at something when you are good at something else.
Yeah.
Because that feeling of being shit is not easy to handle. But I feel that is what will make you grow and that is what will keep you grounded and
Correct.
that is what will
Correct.
make you interesting.
Yeah.
And that is what will make you a person who has something to talk about.
Yeah.
You know, and I love that about you. तेरे को problem नहीं है to be a beginner.
Yeah. Yeah.
You're like, मेरे को सिखाओ please.
Yeah.
Please teach me. You teach
Yeah.
me. Anyone who's ready to teach me. And I'm like, how are you able to so quickly find your next goal after like how we finish certain milestones?
I went back to my childhood. हमारे जो financial goals थोड़े we started meeting them. Stability है life में. We have a nice house. We've done things. We like the living space that we. I was like, but what is that childhood thing that made me excited?
Yeah.
My mom tells stories about I used to see nalas and be like Goa because I was that's how water crazy I was. And even now I go every day. Same freaking reef we've been going for 5-6 days. You're
Every
bored.
day when we go to the reef, I'm like, चले. तू जा मैं आता हूँ आधे घंटे में. There's never, you're never like कि बस हो गया.
Because
कितना मैं पूछ जब तक ऐसे नहीं
There are 1,000 types of fishes
I
down
know,
there.
I love
Not
that. I love that's
like
the thing.
100 types of corals.
Your passion
Yeah.
comes through me and I end up doing something more, which
yeah.
is not my passion.
Yeah.
But I'm saying, like, you found your passion. Like, now my struggle is, what is the next passion of mine? What is something that I should be spending time doing, being a beginner, failing?
What is your childhood?
Yeah, I'm doing my childhood thing. I used to sit and like write,
Yeah.
draw,
Yeah.
create stuff like
Yeah.
क्या कहीं से कैमरा लेके घर के एक दीवार शूट कर रही हूँ.
Yeah.
मैंने ये किया है और फिर मैं डिजाइनर बन गई. तो it's not like I'm away from my childhood. I have
No,
actually
you're in the same zone. I'll put it that way. But water के बीच से बहुत सारे zones हैं. I realize I love the underwater the most.
I know, but
Like there's a niche. What do you enjoy in, let's say, creative field is your thing. What
what do I crave?
हाँ.
I crave expressing myself. I feel at this point I have a deep desire to express myself. But I'm not able to find the right format. मतलब
Right
मैं-
outlet, poems, movies,
because
songs.
I'm writing, but I'm like,
videos.
this is very mediocre. जो मैं लिख रही हूँ तो again it's about expressing
shit.
yourself but being shit at it. I'm a beginner in writing. I want to express myself here, but I'm expressing myself here.
The second I understood that I want to learn free diving, we came to the mecca of free diving,
Yeah.
which is Panglao.
Yeah.
Right? You need to
I don't know the
Get-
method of writing.
no, but it's,
But I don't, for writing, you don't need to go anywhere. This is the best place. I could sit here and write.
no, it's not that. It's about somebody training you to think, somebody
Maybe.
showing you the way. Because what a guide does is they basically show you, okay, if this is not working for you, why don't you try this method? It's about method finding and finding your
Yeah,
own.
maybe I don't know how to figure that out.
Yeah,
How to like
yeah.
know how to find that within myself. I want someone maybe to help me to find that bit in me.
Yeah.
because I have the skill of language.
Yeah.
So it's
yeah,
not
yeah,
like
yeah,
putting
yeah.
words together is a skill, right?
Yeah.
And storytelling. Like I want to tell such amazing stories in the form of writing novels, books, memoirs, or making movies, short movies, long
Songs,
movies.
songs.
Songs is what you want to do. But I think we both are shit. But again, we'll be beginner musicians
Yeah.
and सबके कान जला देंगे.
No, that's my next thing. I want to be a musician.
I
That's the
would
next
love
thing that I want to learn.
I will hop onto it when you are mediocre.
I want.
Not when you're failing. तेरी gig में जब कोई नहीं है मैं chorus से. Do you know him? No.
पता नहीं कौन कहाँ से आ जाते हैं.
नहीं यार, I think that's true. Maybe I should find people who can help me put words together. Like
Yeah.
how to express yourself the best way with writing. Like
Yeah.
खरोचना है ना अंदर का
Yeah,
जो desire to
yeah.
express, because I feel like I feel too much
Yeah.
and I just can't express it.
So-
तो मैं घुटती हूँ अंदर.
So I think language, like using words, is one way. The other is thoughts. Like how are you? Wow, what is it that you wanna say, and how do you wanna say it differently? Not in terms of putting ये word ऐसे वैसे वो
Yeah.
नहीं कह रहा. It's not about कौन सा word आएगा, कौन सा replacement आएगा. I'm saying what is that thought structure in which you wanna, you know?
I agree.
Yeah.
I mean, a good thing.
Yeah.
If any of you know a good place I can learn how to,
Creative writing.
yeah,
That's what you want.
I need to learn to write creative writing, correct? Any place I'm ready to go.
Yeah.
I'm ready to challenge myself. If you guys know someone who has these kind of circles
Yeah.
or
Yeah. No,
whatever.
or you know a
Wow.
class that does creative
हाँ, और
writing.
कहीं पे मैं धर्मशाला में जाके भी बैठ सकती हूँ. I don't mind. मैं इसके लिए यहाँ आई हूँ, ये मेरे लिए वहाँ आएगा. I don't care. Fuck off.
I don't know about that.
Liar.
I'll call you from here, no? Hey, how's the writing gig going on?
So mean.
What do I do in there? I'll do paragliding.
हाँ तो पैराग्लाइडिंग करना.
कुछ तो करना है ना उसे.
हाँ तो करना. मैं
Need to
ऐसे
satiate my
लिखूंगी,
soul.
तेरे को बाय करूंगी हवा से.
So today morning was a complete washout. I couldn't equalize, so we didn't try going down. But now I feel much better. I think I'm gonna go back in the water, just roam around, do some snorkeling, a little few, free dives here and there. Now, at this time of the day, there's nobody in the water, it's just me. So what will happen is, the marine life will be exploding right now. Like there'll be all fishes everywhere, so it's going to be a lot of fun. So chalo, I'll take you along. Rashmi to, she's going to wait ऊपर ही, she doesn't want to come in the water. So it's just me, let's go. Look, there's nobody here, nobody. So I don't want to dive too late. I'll probably dive for 15-20 minutes. Because once the light goes down, I don't want to be in the water. But let's see how the fishes are now. जाके देखते हैं. I saw a turtle again. This time he was very chill with me. We just played around. I would go and dive, stay next to him. He didn't mind me at all. Otherwise, you can't really stop turtles from doing what they want. They're too fast for you. So he was a very chill guy. Good, I got to see him. Now I think the sun is setting. I'm gonna head back. Every time I enter water, right? I always enter water thinking, what if I see a whale shark? What if I see a shark? What if I see an orca? What if I see a dolphin? What if I see a turtle? I saw a turtle today. Yeah, we don't know, but it was a huge one. This guy was very chill this time. Didn't want to run away, was chilling, eating.
One person, no?
Yeah.
And maybe you went down easier.
Yeah,
with the
yeah,
waiter.
yeah.
And तो अंदर ही इतना छप छप मारा था,
Yeah.
भाग गया उस दिन.
Very chill guy. मजा आया. Thank you, Grace. Got our laundry done. Whenever you stay too long at a place, you gotta get this done.
Yes, all our stinky clothes are now
Yeah.
clean. Thank
Nice.
God.
Hi Cindy.
Hello.
How you doing?
I'm good. How are you?
Very good.
Hi.
Very good.
Did you dive today? Did you guys dive today?
I saw a turtle.
What was that?
I saw a turtle. Abhi, this time it becomes much cooler. Can I get one Spanish latte?
Sure. Hot?
Yes, hot. Yeah. And one muffin. Your banana cinnamon signature.
Yes. You want me to reheat the muffin or?
I would like that. I would like that. India?
India is so big that some parts are very hot, some parts are very cold.
Uh-huh.
Like we have Himalayas in our country.
Yeah.
So
Do you
it's-
guys have winter?
Yeah.
Yeah.
The north of India has snowfall.
Yeah. But
And-
like here we don't have winter and we have like rain and hot.
No, we have summer, we have monsoon. For 3 months it only rains.
Uh-huh.
And then it's cold. 3
Yeah.
seasons.
It looks so good. Oh, thank you. Oh wow, this looks nice.
Kafi homemade.
Oh.
Yeah, it's really nice.